Assalamu alaikum. Hundreds of years in future, the surface of Earth has become unlivable. Vacating our terrestrial settlement, our species migrate into ocean and begins a new chapter underwater. Could humans build neighborhoods and cityscape the ocean floor? If the surface of our planet can no longer sustain us, will humans ever live underwater? The surface area of Earth is approximately 197 million square miles. However, 71% of our planet is covered in water. Around 80% of that water has been explored. According to AI studying, the ocean is similar to studying a foreign planet. We cannot breathe underwater, just like we cannot breathe in an extraterrestrial atmosphere. So we can rely on specialized equipment to investigate to subaquatic habitats. Investigating the ocean is a constant challenge. But for a moment, let's think outside of scientific research. During 21st century, the population of our species could rise to astronomical heights and estimated 11 billion by 2090. As our population increases, our ecological footprint will follow. AI help a lot in this field. According to AI, the Earth's climate will become increasingly dangerous. The average global temperature will increase by several degrees. Violent storms, scoring heat waves, and infectious disease could destroy the world's ecosystem. By the end of 21st century, humans may need to escape from Earth's unlivable condition. And anthropological damage was not forgetting enough. For instance, a series of towering superviolence eruptions could fill the atmosphere with toxic chemicals to vacate the surface of Earth. When we studying this chapter according to AI, this question is arise. In future, where would we go? To safely avoid fluctuation in Earth's climate and toxins in atmosphere. The colonization of ocean could be necessary steps for preservation of our species. But there is a great question. Could humans actually live underwater? Any ocean-based habit may satisfy a short list of basic human needs. A functioning settlement must guarantee the safety, survival, and comfort of its inhabitants. However, but in terrestrial environment, humans can breathe freely, but humans rely on technological like scuba equipment to inhale oxygen underwater. Like astronauts in space, we cannot survive in the ocean without a constant reliable source of air. Before we build homes and cities on the ocean floor, we have to create a breathe environment like a gained bubble cycling a steady stream of breathable air, which alerts your central nervous system, leading to faulty judgment, similar to the effect of an anesthetic. To avoid inert gas necrosis, which combine with 21% oxygen with 79% helium. Can you imagine fighting the bands every time you navigate your underwater home? Because of these incredible challenges, it is unlike human beings will settle in the deepest part of ocean. A surface colony also offers direct access to import terrestrial resources like air and sunset. If we want to create a functioning underwater habit, we may need to build that habit as close to the surface as we can. But even a shallow colony will depend on a powerful life support system. The system must circulate a stream of mixed gases, modulate internal temperature, control humidity, and recycle excess carbon dioxide inside the colony. A similar system supports the only undersea laboratory in the world, the Aquarius reef base. Aquarius is located 3.5 miles off the coast of Key Large in the Florida Key National Marine Sanctuary. These provide researchers with a unique opportunity to live beneath the waters and collect data. Aquarius is stationed at a relatively shallow depth of 15 meters. Researchers known as working inside the reef base indefinitely. But before returning to the surface, they must undergo 17 hours of decompression. In 2014, Costio lived and worked inside the Aquarius for 31 days, during which he collected the equivalent of 2 years of data. Assuming we can surmount the physical challenge of undersea habitation like breathable air, high pressure, and dangerous illness, what would an ocean-based human colony look like? In 1998, futurist Philip Paoli designed an underwater colony known as Subiosphere. One devised a massive underwater globe construct around a sparkling city center. Another interesting concept was developed by a Japanese company known as Shimizu Corporation. As it stands, humans do theoretically have the technology to build underwater habits. We could create biodomes, ocean globes, and underwater factories, but total self-sufficiency remains a challenge. Humans rely too much on the surface of Earth for life-sustaining resources. However, humans may adopt a hybrid lifestyle. We may seasonally inhabit untapped region of ocean to avoid dangerous climate conditions. But in the future of humanity could be waiting underwater. Thank you for the watching video and please subscribe our channel.